I'm not working on my tractor, just put the hood up for some reason, but here's my, I had a tractor for about 2 years. I had these 2 trailers, and so I'll give you a tour around of this. There's that, and here. Forward, neutral. So I'm always backwards. Put it in neutral, and then these are the gears. Step down on this. The gears. Step down on here, and then so. And this is make it like the engine go. And keys here. I'll show you. Let's start. Turning the key in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's too cold for it to start. I was just driving it yesterday and I forgot to do a video on it, so instead, trailer. Backyard. It's my backyard. I shouldn't yet, but that's where I usually park everything. I used to park it like right there, but I'll park it here now. So I put it on this little thing, and then it's too cold for this to start. But put some gas in there. Almost full. If you guys see it, it's like right there. So I'm gonna be it for today. Let's do a tour on the engine. It's 155 1C OHV. It's pretty good to drive, and then we were riding back over there by the high school once with my friend, and then my friend noticed that I can find it. I don't know if it's on this side. Oh, I think it's like not. Wait, I can't find it. I can't find it. Something, well, one time it was like, oh, it snapped. Oh. See this pole right, hold on. That pole right there is running through here, and this, every time that would turned it on, it'd spark. But it did too much that it just like snapped with the other pieces. Anyways, but that's it for today's video. Peace.